Do you want to change your job or your life? Are you in debt? Do you want to achieve financial freedom for your family and travel around the world? You have come to the right video. As the new year begins, many of us make resolutions to improve our financial situation. Whether it's paying off debt, saving more money, or investing for the future, achieving financial freedom can seem like a daunting task. But with the right mindset and a solid plan in place, it's definitely possible. In this video, I will go over 10 practical steps you can take in real life to achieve financial freedom in the new year. 10. Set clear and specific financial goals. Without a clear destination in mind, it can be easy to get sidetracked or lose motivation. Make sure to set both short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals will keep you motivated in the short run. Long-term goals will provide you a sense of direction for the long run. When setting goals, it's important to be realistic and specific. For example, instead of just, save more money, set a specific savings goal, such as, save $20,000 in an emergency fund by the end of the year. Similarly, instead of just, pay off debt, set a specific debt reduction goal, such as, pay off $10,000 in credit card debt by the end of the year. 9. Create a budget. Once you've set your financial goals, the next step is to create a budget. A budget is a plan that outlines how you will spend your money each month. A good budget will help you stay on track with your financial goals and avoid overspending. To create a budget, start by listing your fixed expenses, such as rent, utilities, and insurance. Then, list your variable expenses, such as groceries and entertainment. Finally, subtract your expenses from your income to see how much money you have left over each month. If you are spending more than you are earning, you'll need to make some adjustments. One option is to cut back on discretionary spending, such as eating out or buying expensive clothes. Another option is to increase your income through a part-time job or side hustle. I will tell you different ways you can make more money in future videos. 8. Build an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a savings account set aside for unexpected expenses. Having at least 6 to 12 months of living expenses saved in an emergency fund can provide peace of mind. It will also prevent you from going into debt. So if your expenses are $1,000 per month, you should aim to save at least $6,000 to $12,000 in an emergency fund. To build an emergency fund, set up a dedicated emergency savings account and set up automatic monthly transfers from your checking account to your savings account. Start with small amount, you can increase the amount over time. Here comes the most important part of this plan. Make the automatic transfer to your emergency fund on every payday. Most people could not resist the temptation of spending on paydays. 7. Pay off your debt. Another key step in achieving financial freedom is paying off debt. Credit card debt, student loans, and other forms of debt can be a major burden and can prevent you from achieving your financial goals. List your debts based on the interest rate. Focus on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first, as it is costing you the most money in the long run. Make sure to make the minimum payments on all of your debts each month. Then, put as much extra money as possible towards paying off the debt with the highest interest rate. As you pay off each debt, you'll free up more money to put towards your other financial goals. 6. Increase your income. One way to achieve financial freedom is to increase your income. You could ask for a raise at your current job or take online courses to pick up new skills to help you increase your income. Consider taking on a part-time job or starting a side hustle such as stock investing, option trading, or real estate investing. You can also make extra money by becoming a stock option trader with a small investment as little as $500. 5. Invest in your education. Investing in your education can increase your earning potential and open up new career opportunities. Consider taking a course or earning a certification to increase your skills and knowledge. This could be a long-term investment that pays off in the form of higher salaries, promotions, or new streams of income in the future. 4. Automate your finances. Automating your finances can help you save time and stay on track with your financial goals. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account to manage your budget and investments. This way, you will not have to worry about manually transferring money or keeping track of your finances on your own. 3. Cut expenses. Look for ways to cut expenses and save money. This could include things like canceling TV cable subscriptions, cooking your own meals instead of eating out, quitting smoking or drinking. By cutting expenses, you'll free up more money to put towards your financial goals. 2. Create a financial plan. A financial plan is a roadmap for achieving your financial goals. It can help you stay organized and on track with your financial journey. Consider consulting with a financial mentor to create a customized plan for your specific needs and goals. A financial mentor can help you identify your strengths and weaknesses and create a plan to address any financial challenges you may be facing. 1. Stay motivated. Achieving financial freedom takes time and discipline. Stay motivated by tracking your progress, celebrating small wins, and reminding yourself of your long-term goals. Take investment courses regularly to gain investing skills. When you need motivation and inspiration, feel free to consult with a mentor who has already achieved financial freedom. Surround yourself with supportive people who will encourage you on your journey towards financial freedom. Which steps do you need more help with? Comment your questions below. Follow these steps and stick to them in order to achieve financial freedom in the new year. Remember, it takes time, financial knowledge, education, skills and discipline, but the rewards are well worth it.
Do you want to retire early? Do you love freedom? Do you want to work only 1 to 2 hours a day while traveling around the world and spend more time with your family? You can start stock investing and option trading right now.
If you want to know more about finance, stocks, options, real estate, crypto, check out our playlist: stock investing, stock trading, option trading, real estate, cryptocurrency.